There it goes. You're doing it right now. Yeah,
Okay,
you're
good.
recording.
I'm feeling lively, okay? So anyway, before the video rudely cut out, we were done looking at simplifying fractions. You did a fantastic job on that, which is why we said only do half of those, okay? And then we were going to take a quick preview of the next section, which is changing things from mixed numbers into improper fractions. First thing we have to do is actually define those terms real quick in case you don't know. Do you know? No. Okay. Then let's talk about what they are, right? So now, a mixed number is the first thing we're going to intro. Mixed number, right? So a mixed number is something that has a whole number part, like 3, and it also has a fraction part, like, let's do 4 over 5, right? So 3 and 4/5, this is an example of a mixed number. An improper fraction is what we're going to be changing this to. And improper fractions have all sorts of awesome uses, such as adding and subtracting fractions. We're going to want to put it in as an improper fraction before we do that. Or I do, every single time anyway. So improper fractions, do you know what those are now? Can you think of it? Do you know? Do you have a guess?
Like 4 over 5.
4 over...
Or is it 5 over 4?
5 over 4. And what's the difference?
It's improper. The higher number is on the top.
Exactly. This top number, which is the numerator. And then the bottom number is called the denominator. Coolio, denominator. Right? So an improper fraction is a fraction where the numerator is larger than the denominator. If the numerator is larger than the denominator, that means that we have a number that is larger than 1. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
You get that totally? You just got that right off the bat, right? Okay. So let's change a mixed number into an improper fraction. It's the easiest thing to do. So we're going to start there. All right? It's a quick process. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go from our denominator here to our whole number. And we're going to multiply these numbers. 3 times 5 is equal to?
15.
Coolio, right? So 15 is it's going to go up at the top here, 15. And then with our 15 to our 4, we are going to add these two numbers. So 15 plus 4 is what? 19. And so this is going to be equal to 19 over 5. The bottom of the fraction stays the same. Okay? Let's do one more, and this time you're going to do it with me. You're even going to make up the number, because that's fun. So what number are we going to do? What's our whole number part?
8.
Coolio. And 8 and what?
6 over 9.
Coolio. 6/9, is that something that can be simplified?
Yeah.
Yeah, but we're not going to. It doesn't matter. Okay? So now we're going to do 8 times 9, which is what?
Was it 54?
Let's see. Do you know how I do mine? Show you real quick, okay? So you hold up all your fingers, and we're going to count from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? In order to multiply your 9, to hold down the number that you're multiplying. So I'm going to hold down the number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the answer is 72. Isn't that cool?
No, does it really work?
Yeah. You want to do it
It's
again?
like a magic trick.
Okay.
Did you get this, Chate?
No, I didn't.
Yeah, let's get this
Do it
again. But
though, okay?
let's see it again.
What do
Okay.
you want to do? We're going to do 9 times what? 5.
Yeah.
Alright, so you've got your 10 fingers up, and then keeping in mind it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold down 5. And the answer is?
45?
Yeah.
That was cool.
Blows me away.
Math is fun.
It's a magic science.
Cool.
It's a magic science
It's
trick.
too fun.
I've never seen that before.
You should see
No,
it all
but
the
it makes
time.
it too easy.
Yeah, exactly. That's how I learn. I'm bad at my multiplication tables, man. We're going to do another one. It's fine. Okay, alright.
See, I had to memorize all these. This
9
is way
times what?
easier.
7?
Yeah.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the thing to remember, is that this is 6, which is kind of weird. 7. So the answer is 60. 63?
63?
Yeah.
It is.
Woo!
It is.
Math is
That's
fun.
great.
That was
is
an
a great
aside.
thing.
Let's just put that away. Okay. So
All right.
anyway, 8 times 9 is going to be 72, right?
Right.
And then we're going to do 72
Plus 6.
plus 6 is equal to what?
78.
Huh?
78.
Coolio. Where's my other code? All right.
So
we have,
78 over 9?
yep.
Miss Coolidge, you're at 5 minutes 20 seconds.
Quack. I want to do one more. Let's not. Why not? Let's go from improper fractions into mixed numbers. Because you're going to have to switch back and forth either way, right?
Okay.
Okay. So the way that we have improper fractions, one way to think of a fraction is as like a number, right? Like you could think of 5 over 4 as the number 5/4, right?
Yeah.
There's another way to think of this line right here, though. It's an operation. You know, addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. What does this line stand for?
Division.
Division. 5 divided by 4 is another way to think of it. It's as 2 numbers instead of just 1, right? So we're going to do 5 divided by 4. Okay? So 5, where does the 5 go? Here or here?
On the outside. You guys on the top.
It's actually going to go inside. Big dog goes in the house. So 5 is going to go in there, right? 4 is going to be outside, all right? So how many times does 4 go into 5?
Once.
1 time. So it's going to go up here. 1 times 4 is 4, and we have a remainder of 1, all right? So when we're doing improper fractions and switching into whole numbers, the 1 is our whole number part, which is right there. So this is going to be equal to 1 is our whole number part, because that's how many times 4 goes into 5. So it's 1. Our remainder is 1, and so that's going to go up here. And the 4 stays exactly where it was. I'm going to draw some lines real quickly so that we remember which goes where, right? This goes right there. This is going to whoop right around. And then the 4 stays at the bottom of the fraction. One more time. Okay? All right. Let's say we have, I don't know, 27 over, let's do 37. 37 over 5. Okay? So 37 is clearly larger than 5, right? We're going to do 37 divided by 5. So when I have my division sign, where does the 37 go?
In the house.
In the house, yeah. 5 is right there. How many times does 5 go into 37?
7 times.
Word. 7 times 5 is?
35.
And so we have a remainder of?
2.
Oreo, right? 7 is our whole number. So 7.
Go to the top. Or
Yeah.
yeah.
And then the 2 remainder is what's left over, and the 5 stays right where it was. Alright? I want to see you do a couple, and then we'll be done for the day. But that's it for the video.